Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're on the Milwaukee M12 platform, they've got a nice little tire inflator. It's portable, it's light, does the job very well. It'll set you back about £100. I have another idea. So I'm going to build one using these items here. So what we have here is we have a Draper tire inflator, and this cable, this 12-volt cable plugs into your car, has been broken. And we have an M12 battery adapter that I got for £7.88. First step is to get this open to get the little screws. On inspecting the inside of this, I can see that I have to put the positive wire on here and the negative wire on here, and that should get both the light and the compressor going through both switches. So that's a bit of rough soldering done there to connect this, and fed it in through here. I'm going to fit the connector on here some way, so I'll put it all together and see what happens. So here we are, fully assembled article now. See battery and all attached, as I demonstrated before, the light going. I'll hook this on here now. You see, so that's how you make an M12 tire inflator. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.